Congress been buying up some stocks. So what do these guys been doing? Okay, I'm gonna read it for you guys. As tension escalate between Israel and the Hamas group, it has been revealed U.S. Congress leaders have been making some strategic investment moves into military-related stocks. For starters, defense company GD. What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Man, my name is Joop from the Clips. Every day I try to make some videos about cryptos and stocks, and it's been going wild lately, man. So this is my Twitter handle, Joop from the Clips, where I share a lot of news about crypto, stocks. So what's been going on lately? Yeah, basically gold went down. It had a bearish momentum. It went all the way around 1826 levels, and there's a lot been going on. So the S&P 500 went all the way down until 4,200 in the month September. Month September is always bearish, and currently we're now making a pivot, and we're currently at the range of 4,380 to be exact. So there's a lot been going on. So oil went up until $95 per barrel, and for the month October, the first half of October, we went down all the way back to 81. But with the current situation in Hamas and Palestine, shit's been going up. So if I put it on the daily, so on Saturday 7th, there was a major war heading between Israel and Palestine that made the price of oil peaked. It peaked all the way to back to the price of $87 per barrel, and now it's getting pretty much to a balanced level. So the first thing what I do is when I wake up in the morning is watching what oil is gonna do, because oil has put a lot of pressure on the market. When oil is going up, the market is going down. And another things that I'm watching are the yields. So what are the yields doing? And the number one yields that I've been watching is the 10-year yield, because it's been going up. So it had reached at a level of 44.8, and currently we see it's on a pivot. So I will put it on a monthly. So yesterday, 9th of October, it made a pivot, and it's now back to 4.6. So I do think we're going to back to these lower levels, as you can see, back in October 2022. So I do think we're going back to 4.3, 4.2. So when the yields will go down, it will make the market go up. So these are the few indicators that I've been watching. So the next chart is the DXY. The DXY is the dollar index, and it's basically going to tell you how strong is the dollar. We all know is the dollar, and when the dollar is going strong, stocks is going down. When the dollar is going weak, stocks is going up. So the dollar has peaked back in September 2022. That also was the October's 22 lows of the market. A lot of people bought a lot of stocks, and the dollar went all the way up to 114, so above $100 and 100 points, I have to say. And currently we're at the level at 105. So I do think we could reach some lower levels back to these. Let me see, back to January 17, so that we around 103, 104, and I do think we could see the dollars go down, and when the dollar goes down, that means stocks will go up. So that's basically what I think is gonna do. So what does the Nasdaq been doing? The Nasdaq also made a pivot. We had our September lows. It went all the way back to 13,000, and now we back at 13,642. So basically the first half of October didn't went well, but we didn't reach the first half. So we basically in mid of the first half of October, but I do think we could reach some higher levels. As you can see is that we basically at this parallel level. It was the most high of the 16,000 back in November 2021. We have reached our lower levels back in October 22, and as you can see, we're going up, and I do think this could be a last rally. So what's the other news that I got for you guys? So there's a lot been going on with the war at Hamas and Israel, but Congress been buying up some stocks. So what do these guys been doing? Okay, I'm gonna read it for you guys. As tensions escalate between Israel and the Hamas group, it has been revealed U.S. Congress leaders have been making some strategic investment moves into military-related stocks. For starters, defense company GD. So let's look up for the chart of GD. It's a defense company. So what the defense company been doing? And it's been going up. So it's been going up statically, as you can see. It's been going up. It's a positive, but I do think this share is it's too expensive, $238 per share. So another stock is a few energy stocks. So they basically were saying that a lot of Republicans bought a lot of energy stocks. ExxonMobil, DVN, CVX, and a lot of Democrats bought cybersecurity stocks. So I also work in the cybersecurity, and I do have two shares that I like. One of them is Splunk. So Splunk basically been bought by Cisco. If you have watched my videos, I basically have shared this information with you guys. So Splunk, due to the fact that they have been bought through Cisco, they had a peak. It went all the way from $99. Now it's currently at $146. And I do think with all the cybersecurity, all the security issues, all the hackings that have been around from country to country, China, Russia, etc., I do think that these companies could be from a lot of value. The value could reach of these big companies. So the other companies is Fortinet is also a cybersecurity company. And as you can see in the article, is that Democrats seems to be playing the long game, focusing on cybersecurity sector acquisitions in the firms like Fortinet. Ticker is FTNT. So the current price of FTNT is $60 per share, and as you can see, it's basically it went up, but it's also a good stock, always going up. It do has some low momentum back in November 2022. So these are basically the plays that been going on. So, but the big question is this some kind of inside trading? Because obviously the war in Israel, the war between Israel and Hamas is basically public information. But do these guys, these Congress leaders, know some things that we don't know? So I do like this article. It's very interesting, and I do like these moves. So I also follow Unusual Whales, and the tweet that they're sending out was breaking: Congress has been buying Warstocks. Many bought defense company GD, General Dam, and Fortnite. So they also put some pictures with the tweet, and they also put some name of some Congress leader, basically what they've been buying. And one of those guys was Kevin Hearn. Kevin Hearn bought DVN, and he bought approximately around 4th of October between 50,000 and 50,000 shares he bought. And man, he been buying stocks, man, from 30 June back to 2022. He been buying DVN. So the second player is Michael McCall, House of Texas. He been buying cybersecurity FTNT back in August 2023. Another player is Michael Patrick, Kevin Hearn, Robert Whitman, House of Virginia. So these guys been buying some shares, man. So that's basically the game of these big players, and that's basically the news that I've been following. So it's very interesting to share these kind of tweets and information with you guys, because it's a very interesting time that we live in. So okay, what do we got next for you guys to share, man? It's been a while that I made some videos for you guys. I was on vacation in Sal, as you can see. I made a little video. Yeah, we doing it, man. So I can't share all the audio with you guys, but this was basically nice. Did some little fishing with some guys, training. It was a good vacation, man. I can't complain. It's where the guys were fishing, and I helped those guys out, so I cannot complain, man. I had a good time in Cape Verde, Sal. So on the long term, man, I've been planning to go live abroad. So back to the video. What I've for you guys. Okay, so not to make this a long videos. Today is the 10th of October, Tuesday. So Wednesday there's gonna be PPIs coming out. That means product price index. That means that's the price of the producer, the price of the companies. And the major information is on Thursday, October 12th, is the core CPI, the consumer price index. So that's basically more important than the price, producer price index. So this is what it's all about, consumer price index. How the inflation gonna have major influence on the price, and does it gonna be a very difficult period to live in? And last but not least, does the Federal Reserve gonna raise their interest rate, or gonna hike, or they gonna cut, or maybe even they're gonna do some QE? So that's basically the question that we have to wonder ourselves. So it's a very short video. I hope you like this, guys, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, my Twitter, Facebook, everything. I share a lot of knowledge, and as you can see, there's not difficult in this time to make money. And yeah, that's basically what I want to share with you guys. And I see you guys in the next video.